Okay, for this second video in shading, trying to identify the sets, we are going to do number 9 question, S intersect T complement. So the first thing we do, we shade the circle S. And because it's intersect, we're going to shade it one direction, and then in the other circle, or other thing that we're going to be shading would be in the opposite direction. So two different directions. So all of that is set S. Now T complement. T complement means what is not in T. So I'm going to shade all the areas that are not in T. So I can't shade anywhere in T, because if we shade anything in T, that means we're shading T. But we want to shade what is not in T. And where you see two different inks crisscross, that is the answer. Where we see two different colors crisscross, that is where the answer is. Okay, I accidentally shade a little bit in the T. That's an error. So what does it look like? Here is the final result. When we have the two intersecting sets, where we see the double shading is all of this. All of this. So what does this remind us of? This reminds us of S only. It's not all of S that was shaded, it was just the part that has S elements in S that does not share anything or intersect with T. So this is the same thing as S only. Now we are going to shade the second one, number 10, T intersect S complement. So we're going to shade T first, and then we are going to shade what is not in S. So here we go, shade in one direction, in T, all of T, all of T, the entire circle T, that is T. Now, S complement, we're going to shade what is not in S, all the areas that is not considered to be S. We shade all the area that is not in S. Okay, crooked shading, but you get the picture. And where we see the section where there are two colors crisscross or intersect, that's the answer. So S, T, where we see it is all of, not all of T, sorry, T only. T only. So it's not the entire circle in T, only where the elements that affects T and not the ones that affects T and S. No intersection. So T only is the same thing as T intersect S complement. Next, we need to shade, just like BOM does, we're going to shade what is in the brackets first, and then what is outside the brackets. All right, so, or we can consider what's in the bracket first. For example, S intersect T. Where do we find S intersect T? Normally, we find it in this area here. This is S intersect T. Everybody knows that, eh? But now we're going to shade what is not in that section, and that would be the answer. So I'm going to shade what is not in that intersecting part. So the result would be everywhere you see the green stripes, green lines. So everything except in the middle where S intersect T. There we go. So this is what the final answer look like. S intersect T complement. The shaded region is the answer. So the only thing you don't see shaded is in the middle. Only in the middle. So the shaded area is the answer. So once we have done number 11, we kind of have an idea how to do number 12 now. S union T. S union T is everything in S and everything in T. So we're going to shade what is outside of that. So everything outside the two intersecting circle would be the answer. Shade everywhere except the two intersecting circle. So shade, 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 shade. There we go. That's the answer. S union T complement. S union T in bracket complement. That's the answer.